everyone, my name is Khushi and I am currently a grade 12 student at Global Indian International School. My first experience with WiselyWise was when I had attended a boot camp that was conducted at our school. This was a 3-day artificial intelligence workshop that was intended on introducing us to the world of AI. When I had signed up with a couple of my friends, we had thought this would just be another informational session. However, it turned out to be 3 days with activity-packed and intensive sessions. And I strongly believe that this laid a solid foundation in terms of my basics of artificial intelligence. A part of the bootcamp was making an individual bot, and we had a lot of people make joke bots, medicinal bots, sports bots. Personally, recognizing the holes that we have in the mental health landscape in Singapore, I had made a chatbot catered to monophobia patients, which I'm still currently developing. I'm in contact with youth counseling groups where we're trying to adapt this to best cater to the youth society in Singapore. Apart from that, I believe that WiselyWise has courses catered towards all age groups, all backgrounds, whether you are a beginner with absolutely no knowledge of AI or with some prior knowledge and understanding of the field. We have courses at Wise Central that are catered towards everyone. For instance, with the current understanding of AI that I have today, I am presently participating in the VoiceBot training that's online at Wise Central, but I'm currently trying to adapt my chatbot into a voice bot. In addition to that, from November 2019 to this year, I have worked as an intern under WiselyWise, and I was supervised by Mr. Chandrakumar, who has been extremely supportive and encouraging throughout this journey. Whether it was fixing glitches in the chatbot that I encountered or encouraging me to contact various stakeholders, he's been extremely supportive of me and my project. All in all, I'd like to say that I'm extremely thankful to WiselyWise for their support and for the kind of knowledge that I've gained from the various courses I've attended. Thank you.